In the times we live in, being healthy is not just a matter of choice or option, it's a necessity for survival. And if something is so really important to us, then wouldn't we take out the time to learn about it and to perhaps even start becoming experts at it? That's why I strongly recommend this Ayurveda wellness course, not just to some of us, not just to those who either tend to be unwell and want to be well, and not just for those who are interested in medical stuff or food stuff, but literally to everyone to go through this course and learn to become well by ourselves. Hi, I'm Anand. I live in Mumbai and I had the good fortune of attending these courses organized by the Shivananda Yoga Center and conducted by Dr. Arun and Dr. Sangeeta Gupta over the past 2 years. And here are a few things that stood out for me in these courses. First, they're authentic, they are unadulterated. The faculty don't refer to modern interpretations of Ayurveda, but instead always go back to the original source text of Ayurveda. And that makes it so credible for all of us who are learning it. Second, it's very pragmatic. It's not about evangelizing a viewpoint and demanding you to believe in it. It's about giving you tools that you can use to diagnose yourself, such as your body types, for instance. What type is your body? What kind of mentality do you have? And these are all given as information that you can use for yourself, diagnose, and then decide what's right for you and what's not. It also takes an experimental view to things, requiring you to study, experiment, try things for yourself, and then determine what's right for you and what's not right for you. And the third thing that stood out for me is that it's a holistic course. And the way I interpret is that Ayurveda is not just a science for food or medicine or nourishment. It's not just a lifestyle, but it's life in itself. And when something is so significant, so holistic, then it demands that we pay attention to it. And I think the faculty do a very good job of bringing all this holisticness, this grandness, in a very digestible manner. It's even engaging, I must even say entertaining sometimes, and just keeps you connected to the course. You learn a lot from your fellow participants, and you learn things that you thought only some people do it, and you suddenly start seeing that so many people are doing it. Right? These daily habits about the way perhaps you conduct your morning routine, the way you have your food, the way in which you cook your food, all your everyday stuff, the way seasons change and what things you do around seasons, things we learned in our culture. What this course does is gives you the science behind those myths and those traditions. So that's about it as to what stood out for me. I'm enjoying this thing that I've learned, and I think there is a long way to go. It gives me a good hold on just health and life in itself. And I remember the faculty saying that one has to be in good karma to experience Ayurveda and to learn it. I really hope it's in your good karma as well. And I hope this information comes to you and you make the right choice and invest a little bit of time for yourself. Best wishes, stay healthy, stay fit.